This is for all the people that are struggling and suffering and they can't get their doctor to listen. Hey, Dr. Ian here, Dr. Autoimmune. My job for the past 16 and a half years is helping people find the root cause. We call it functional medicine, but really it's what medicine should be. So in my grad school program, when I was pursuing my doctorate, I became ill and I had brain fog, I had dizziness. What I didn't understand at the time was actually something called derealization. And so anxiety, and I felt out of my body, lots of fatigue, a lot of extreme attention deficit issues. And I went to 8 different providers. I had people take blood work. I had people take exams. I had people give me supplements. I had people try to convince me that their way was the way. And this is a common frustration, and I get it if you guys are suffering and if you're dealing with these issues right now. But just understand the 9th provider that I went to was a functional medicine provider. Now, there's a lot of excuses why we don't seek these people out. And again, I was blessed. My family stepped in and they helped me because I literally was at a point where I was going to fail out. And at that point, well over $100,000 in medical debt. So I was determined to find that root cause. And I think that's one of the most important things that a person has, is that determination to find the right provider and find the provider who's going to ask the hard questions and be willing to ask you, right, to actually change the things that are necessary to go after that inflammation. So with my history, I had, again, developed something called celiac disease. And I didn't know that, but again, it was properly picked up on by a provider. And they were the one that convinced me to be 100% gluten-free. And so that change right there inspired me to become the doctor that I am today, because I see people that have been just ignored. I see people that have been gaslit. I see people that are at the brink of having no hope. And I just want you to know that the light is there, but you need someone to help you see the light. And what I mean by that is someone's going to have to step in at some point and help educate you first. Not sell you, but educate you first on about what's wrong. And I think you'll feel that when you work with like someone like me or other people in the functional medicine world is do they have it? Do they have the right emphasis on what should be done, which is putting you first, as it always should be in healthcare, rather than putting the insurance company or the HMO company or whether or not this thing is going to be covered, right? And just start to listen to you, which is a really good sign. You know, someone that listens is someone who's also really vested in your best outcome. And then for me, and what I'll tell you is critical, is that within the first really 3 to 4 weeks, you should be seeing life-changing results. So guys, if you need help with that, just reach out to us. Again, my name is Dr. Ian. Our practice is called Dr. Autoimmune, and we are here to let your health soar.